Welcome, and thank you for joining the C50 Quick User Reference Guide. This is the standard controller that comes with the truck. You have your throttle on the left. You have your steering on the right. You have your trailer control on this knob here. This is a turn signal switch. This is your speed switch. You have two buttons on top that control the lights. And all of your adjustments and reverse settings are here. These are your trim adjustments. And then your reverse settings for all of your different channels. First, we're going to go over some basic instructions. The vehicle has a forward, a reverse, a left, and a right. Next, we'll go over some speed settings. The vehicle has a low, medium, and high, all controlled by the top right toggle. This is low. Medium. And high. For turning on the lights within the truck itself, you're going to use the top left button on the controller. Each push turns on a new set of lights. Once all the lights are on, if you press it one more time, all the lights will turn off. Changing color of your top 4 lights, using the left joystick, go left or right. You have blue, green, red, and white. You can put turn signals on by using your switch here. You can also utilize turn signals by using the right joystick and pressing forward and right, forward and left. To perform the same function on the trailer, you're going to be using the right top button. You have your basic lights, your running lights, and then of course your 4-way. By pressing reverse on the left joystick, you have a backup alarm. And if you press down on the right joystick, you will get the horn. To detach the trailer from the truck itself, you'll use this knob here. Turning the knob to increase the height and slowly pulling forward, the truck will detach. Slowly bring the truck back into place. Drop the trailer and you are reattached.